The amount of work and equipment that we've manufactured has been phenomenal, and we couldn't have done it without the laser. Ease of use was definitely high on our agenda when we looked around for which laser to get.
I've never worked CNC laser before. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. As you can tell, it's easy, just quite simple to use.
We're an independent business specialised in metal fabrication for a range of finishing industries. The laser machine we've got installed at our facilities in Garforth is an Esprit Photon 1 with a 2 kilowatt fibre laser. The Esprit laser cutting machine was installed in March 2021 and we wanted to improve what we provide to our customers. We chose the Esprit Photon 1 because it represents excellent value. The Photon 1 did everything we needed it to do, the machine looks great and it had a reasonable price too. I would 100% recommend Esprit to other UK manufacturers. I've been really impressed with the Photon 1 laser and I wouldn't hesitate to buy another one.